Welcome back. What? We're going to do E today. We're going to do a face with E's in it. Okay? 2 uppercase E's. Do you have your pencil or marker? Pen? I have mine. Here we go. So, first I'm going to do eyes. Eyes on our face. Not the letter I, but I'm just going to do 2 dots for the face's eye. Looks pretty good already. Then I'm going to do a nose. We haven't done a nose yet. So here we go. I'm going to do a nose, and that's just going to look like a little O or a 0. It's like a little letter O or 0 right in the middle of the face. And then I'm going to do a C to make the mouth. Okay? Or a U. It's kind of a U or a C. Turn it that way. And I know what you're thinking. We haven't used any E's yet. So where are we going to put the E's? Where are we going to put these E's? Well, we're going to do E eyelashes because eyelash starts with E. So we're going to do 2 uppercase E's for the eyelashes. You know those little hairs on your eyes? So I'll do 1. Then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay. And then I'm going to do the second one. Look at that. Eyelashes. Different letters. And there's even an O for the nose. Because in the word nose, there is an O. Alright, so that is the E face.